Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a really fun video. You guys know I like to use temporary colors and color depositing conditioners to kind of temporarily switch up my hair color. I absolutely love the highlights, but sometimes I want to just add a little extra something. So today I'm going to be trying out the new Moroccanoil color depositing mask, and this is in the color Bordeaux, which is going to be more of a red shade. I'm going to be going from this honey blonde hair to more of a red color today, and I'm really excited to try this out. This is actually a temporary color. This is going to deposit the pigment on top of the cuticle instead of actually penetrating the hair. So you can switch up your hair without damage and just play with a lot of different fun colors. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. So if you guys wanna see how I'm gonna apply this temporary color and the final color, then please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do to prep my hair for the color depositing mask is start on fully cleansed and detangled hair. Now I am just absorbing the excess water from my hair with a towel so my hair is not soaking wet. Next, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair, and my hair is not super thick, so just doing 2 sections will really work for me. That is going to be plenty. After I section my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my color depositing mask. You can definitely wear gloves if you choose to. This mask washed out of my hands with soap and water, so that really wasn't a concern, but you can definitely pick up some gloves and use that as well. I'm just running the mask throughout my hair from root to tip, making sure that all my strands are fully saturated with the product. You can also use a brush or a wide tooth comb to make sure all of your hair is saturated and that the product is fully distributed. If this is your first time experimenting with a different color, I would definitely recommend doing a strand test to see how you like the color. Overall, you can do so many different things with this mask. You can use it as a fashion color or more of a temporary color. You can use it to keep up with your regular color. You can actually use these masks in between salon visits to not only keep your color vibrant, but to also keep your hair healthy. When I use temporary colors, I usually keep 2 things in mind. So if I want the color to last longer and be vibrant, I can reapply the mask as often as I like, and I also use a sulfate-free shampoo or cleanser to maintain the color and make sure it doesn't wash out as fast. Now, if I want the color to wash out a little bit faster and go back to my highlights, I use a clarifying shampoo, and what the clarifying shampoo will do is actually cleanse your hair and strip the color faster. You just want to make sure that you follow up with a deep conditioner, especially on curly hair, as it can be very drying. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep applying it like a regular deep conditioner until my hair is fully covered with the Bordeaux mask. So now that we have the mask fully applied throughout my hair, I'm just gonna put it up into a bun, and the directions say to leave it on for about 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse as usual. So that's how easy this color depositing mask is. So after 7 minutes, it's time to rinse. And I wanted to do this in the sink so you guys could get a better idea of how this mask washes out. Don't worry, it's not going to stain your sink or your shower. If you do see a little bit of residue left behind, you can just go ahead and wash that away. You can kind of see the color in my hair, and I'm super excited to show you guys the final results. So what I'm just going to do is rinse my hair until the water is clear, and then I'm going to follow up with my normal wash and go routine, and at the end I'll show you guys my before and after shots. Alright guys, so this is the color we started out with, some honey blonde curls, and these are the final results of my Bordeaux Moroccanoil color depositing mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to ask any questions in the comment section down below. I will leave the link for this mask in my description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.